let's talk about foreign assets. So, you could live in the United States and own assets in another country. So what happens to those assets if you pass away? Well, the good news is the majority of countries have a provision or a law that they've adopted that gives basically full faith and credit to your estate plan in the United States. Now, I'm borrowing that as language from a constitutional provision. Forget all that. Don't Google that. But basically, if you're part of the Hague Convention as a country, which many countries are, then whatever estate plan you have in the United States is going to be effective in that country. Now, that's not to say whether or not there's going to be some type of, extra tax on that probate in another country, whether there is going to be some type of probate process in another country. I couldn't tell you that. I'm only licensed in the United States. However, I can tell you that making a solid estate plan in the United States is going to effectuate the passing of assets in another country, if you own assets in another country, for the majority of countries. Okay, so if you own assets in a country you've never heard of and that's not a part of the Hague Convention, then you might want to ask an attorney that specializes in that country. Otherwise, making a good estate plan here and making sure that it is on file somehow in the country in which you own assets is incredibly important. So if you have questions about planning for the future, protection of assets, give us a call, 704-259-7040.